Continuing with the toilet, I have only a very limited space, really limited space, about 1.5 inch by 2.5 inches or so, 3 inches, where I can drill a hole. Hey Joey, are you looking? What are you looking at? Joey. Okay. So the first thing that I'll do is drill a pilot hole, and then after that I'll, at least for the major part, I'll use my Forstner bit to drill through the wood at least. And it's only about 1 inch that I have to go, and I'll be through the floor. Now I'll change over to my Forstner bit. Okay. The way I'll do it is I'm using a 1/2 inch pipe. Attach this to the floor here. That leads to the waste tank. And this will get a hose, a flexible hose, underneath the toilet, underneath the slide. Whether that works, that's still to be seen, but yeah, for the time being, I'll tape it off on both sides. Hi Joey. Ja, even hier. Hier naartoe. 1, 2, ja. Well, he's not always in view. He's always close. Huh? Hey. So here I'm installing this elbow through the floor, which I will connect later on. But first I'll put on this extension to a hose. What I'll do to connect it, I made a bracket that I screw into the floor, so it's attached. But I'll use a piece of window sealant under it, so hopefully that'll keep everything in place. Now I'm starting to put the plumbing together from the toilet. So this is the bottom where the floor is, and what I'll do is I'll attach a hose here. There's a 1/2 inch plumbing line coming out of the toilet itself, and I attach this to the slide. Then I have this hose, a little shorter, I have to cut that to size, and another one like this in the opposite side through the floor of the van. So, and that'll be approximately out here. Then you get this idea that when I slide out the toilet, it's still attached and it works. And I think that should be working. So what I'll do now is I'll attach these 2 points . Okay, looks good. Then I have to make the connection between the bowl of the toilet that flips open and that sewer line. So this is for the solids, so I'll remove that for the time being. And you can see the bottom of that bowl here that flips open. And you can see it, when it falls down, it gets into that large PVC pipe. Hello, Joey. So I have to make a connection between this piece of PVC and that sewer pipe that comes out here. And that's located at this point. So what I did, I found a connecting piece, had to cut it down to size. That's what I did over here as well, to keep it as low as possible. The issue that I had was that this was open in the middle, so I had to fill that up because I didn't want, when the peak goes down, it goes from wide to just that ½ inch pipe size, and I didn't want to have that standing here. But this still looks good now. So this is what I'll connect here with 2 elbows. It comes out here and it should attach to this pipe. And that's the pipe that sits here at the bottom. What I found out is that I didn't have that much glue anymore, so I hope I still have enough. Let me see, this way. Okay. Now I still have to figure out the length of this piece of pipe exactly, and then I can connect the entire set. Okay. Now I have to put the toilet back together again. I've got a few slots in which the bucket fits, and then just that it doesn't flip out when I'm driving, I'll put 1 screw in there. That should be more than sufficient to hold it all together. Now we get the toilet back in. The toilet is screwed together with a lot of screws. So now bottoms up. I got my end piece here. Now I have to be a little bit careful. And this is where the other one is going, in the floor. So I have to do this exactly at 90 degrees. Okay. this is how it slides out. And then, as an example, with this little bit oversized tubing, the opposite connection is located somewhere out here. So they're connected hose to the one that's in the floor, and this one out here. Well, let's say do it this way. Now you can see that you have to slide out the toilet before using it. Then I can use it. Comes down through this tubing and then down through the floor of the van. Then underneath the floor of the van to the wastewater tank. Works better than anticipated, to be honest. By now I should be able to connect this hose at the bottom one. Oh, yeah.
Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.